hey Brad, my wife became a naturalized U.S. citizen in 2018. Her daughter was born in 2001 and she's in Nepal. Is her daughter eligible to apply for U.S. citizenship?
Yes, because she was born to a U.S. citizen mother.
Okay, Mary says, should I submit an I-693 with the I-485 or wait for the RFE and bring it during the interview?
You need to be denied first before you submit the waiver. So that's that. Oh, the I-693 is the medical. Wait to bring it to the interview right now.
Anger Ben said, what is the evidence for filing for a spouse when you have filed the I-130 petition?
Proof that you're legally married. They only want to know proof of legal marriage, meaning that you're divorced and remarried, never married, or widowed, that you're a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. It's just the actual legality of the marriage to a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen. When you go for your interview, that's when you prove the bona fides of the marriage.
Okay, Para is saying, will EB3 and EB1 be current in new fiscal year?
I don't know. I don't have the magic 8-ball in front of me at this moment.
Where is that?
I don't know. I would ask that's a magic 8-ball question.
Yeah.
What will the future be?
What will the future be?
I don't know.
Where is the magic 8-ball is also a magic 8-ball
That's
question.
right. I don't know. I don't know.
Shernette said, how long does it take a U visa to process?
Years right now, like 3 years, 4 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Julia says, I-130 petition for F2A child. How long for approval? Petition August 2018. How much longer do I have to wait for approval?
Who sponsored who?
It just says a petition for F2A child.
It should be, if it's pending more than a year, you should be filing a mandamus.
Our next question comes to us from Kiki, who said, if I marry my green card holder fiance, how long would it take for me to get my social security number?
About 3 years. If you're out of status, you would have to do a provisional waiver, go home and come back.
Baby voice Grant says, my friend who used to work on the H-2B program husband is filing for her. She recently got a letter from the IRS stating that she owes taxes. Will this affect her coming back to America? Her husband is a citizen.
No, owing taxes won't prevent you from coming to America.
JJ Walker said, my husband...
Dynamite!
Oh, God, you scared the
JJ Walker
out of me.
Shit.
I'm screaming.
Oh my God, I'm shook.
He would scream dynamite.
Shook us.
You remember that?
Yeah, good times.
Good times. Dynamite. We're talking about the 60s and 70s. And he would come in and he would yell, dynamite. Right. JJ Walker.
I'll tell you what happened. I was worried that I was reading the same question that Jan had just read, so I started reading it very sheepishly, and as soon as I did, you yelled dynamite at me.
Oh, that's keeping you on your toes, Belgium Kim. Keeping you on your toes.
Yeah, you are. JJ Walker said, my husband is a U.S. citizen. I'm in an adjustment of status. I've got my 16-year-old son and a 74-year-old mom. What can I do to bring them here? Can they come and stay here while I start the petition process? They both have tourist visas.
They can come with the intention of visiting, and you can file adjustments for each of them after they've stayed here for 90 days. But come with the intention of visiting, wait 90 days.
Aaliyah saying, hey guys, what could happen at an AOS interview if someone didn't mention he was being denied a tourist visa in the past in the I-485 form?
It's a misrepresentation.
So would USCIS know about the visa denial?
Yes.
God Working for Me said, I came here on a visiting visa and overstayed my visa for 2 years and later got married to an American citizen. And can I qualify for a green card?
Yes. File an adjustment. You'll get it right away.
My girlfriend filed in February 25th, 2019. No EAD as of yet. Should she wait longer?
February? She should have gotten it by now. Have her call me.
Anna said, I'm living in Jamaica and my dad filed for me and he told me that my priority date is February of 2012. So I'm wondering how long after he receives the information and what's next?
Who filed for who?
Living in Jamaica.
Dynamite!
Shit.
Did that scare you?
Yeah.
You got him more than me,
Look
but
at
my God.
my wig is covering my face.
You got half his mustache falling off.
I'm just going to start yelling dynamite just randomly now in the middle of the show.
I'm living in Jamaica. Dad filed for me. Priority date is February 2012. About how long and what's the next step in the process?
You should be hearing from the National Visa Center. If dad's a citizen and you're single, it shouldn't be less than a year.
My friend He has a U.S. citizen child, and that child has food stamps. But
How do you even read through that thing?
That's a great question.
How do you even see anything? By the way, I want you to know something. With the wig covering your face, you read the questions much better. You know when he's completely nothing blocking him, he's like, what? What is this question?
That's true. That's true. Comment of the day will be the real test.
All right, Sam says, my friend, he has a U.S. citizen child, and the child has food stamps, but my friend didn't apply for it. His baby's mother did, who got it for the child. Would that affect my friend in public charge?
It's taken into account, but he should be okay as long as the petitioner makes 125% above the poverty level, or you have a good second affidavit of support. Presuming it's filed before October 15th. After October 15th, it will affect dramatically. Big difference.
And especially because the friend is not getting any child support for the child as well.
Yes.
And our very final question that we have received today is from Peter, who said, any waiver for someone who doesn't have a wife or child or parents in the States?
Depends what the waiver would be for.
Aha.
So, for example,
yeah,
if it's for misrepresentation, not a chance in hell. If it's for a provisional waiver, not a chance in hell.
Okay.
If it's for a crime, which is an aggravated felony, not a chance in hell.
Okay.
However, if it's for a crime of moral turpitude, non-drug related offense, and it's more than 15 years ago, yes.
Man, that's a lot of criteria. That's real specific.
Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.